In the next few minutes, you're going to learn about the most exciting technological breakthrough in the history of clinical orthodontics. From the time orthodontists first started treating patients with a remarkable new technique called the Damon system, it was obvious that something very different was taking place. For years, the traditional thinking was that heavy forces, based on what a patient could tolerate, were needed to move teeth. By creating the new Damon system of high-technology braces and wires, very light natural forces can now be applied to move teeth at a rate never seen before in orthodontics. Amazingly, patients of all ages are enjoying more comfortable treatment in far less time. And people all around the world are experiencing startling transformations of the face and the smile that are nothing short of a miracle. In this program, we take a close look at people, not so different from you and me, who have experienced a metamorphosis in their lives. They feel better about themselves. They've grown in confidence. They're more comfortable in social situations. And, put quite simply, they just look more attractive. Every day, countless patients find themselves with dental and orthodontic challenges that often require painful tooth extractions, a lengthy period of wearing uncomfortable braces, and other corrective measures, most of which are not necessary with the Damon system. That's because the Damon system goes far beyond the straightening of crooked teeth. It is about creating beautiful faces. There is a general misconception that all braces and orthodontic treatments are the same. With all the options available today, it is more important than ever for parents and patients to carefully select what type of braces and technology will be used. The Damon system not only produces beautiful smiles and straight teeth, but carefully considers how the face is going to change and mature, minimizing the aging process. Most people believe patients have such crooked teeth because their jaws are simply too small. Faced with this crowding, traditional approaches often call for permanent teeth to be removed, followed by braces, wires, and strong pressure to move the remaining teeth into a very narrow arch form. Even though teeth may be nicely aligned, long-term research often shows a negative impact on the aging face, bone, and tissue. The Damon system, however, takes a completely different approach. Recent studies show that crooked teeth are usually not caused by jaws that are too small, but rather by the tongue and muscles in the face that are simply out of balance. With the Damon system, your orthodontist can use very gentle pressure, working with the natural forces of your body. This allows your dental arches to develop the way they were always meant to. It is very exciting to see patients' anterior crowding eliminated with a wider, more natural arch form. So how does the Damon system create this magic of the mid-face? Well, by taking advantage of the very latest advancements in high technology. The space-age wires used in the Damon system are unique in that they continually work to return to their original form, an ideal, balanced arch. In place of traditional braces that hold the wire tightly against the teeth, the Damon system uses specially designed brackets that allow these wires to slide and move freely. As an added benefit, the latest generation of the Damon system features an advanced design that gives patients an improved natural appearance. Orthodontists can now apply less pressure, in fact, several hundred times less pressure on each tooth. This allows the body's own healing and adaptive abilities to create more space and a more natural arch form for the crowded teeth. The latest research, using the most advanced imaging technology, clearly demonstrates the benefits of moving teeth with forces that work in harmony with the body. Using biologically sensitive forces, the teeth and surrounding bone can move together, creating a more natural smile and face. With most traditional orthodontic treatments, this patient would have been extracted, resulting in a narrower smile and flattened mid-face. With the Damon system, look how the smile and face actually improve as the patient grows and matures.
Going into it, my expectations were that I would come out with semi-straight teeth. The way they have turned out is greater than I had imagined. I noticed a change in my speech and the appearance of the teeth within a month and a half of first getting the braces with brackets on. Look, I can smile when I talk to you, and that simple human interaction is something that I wasn't able to do before, and that result is just incredible.
Prior to having this work done, I definitely felt self-conscious about my smile, and as you age, in particular, there's something that's happening with your mouth that changes, and it really does show your age. I think that in having my teeth straightened, there's the physical part that changes, but there's something inside that changes that you're not even aware of, and that has to do with your confidence and how you walk into a room, because you know you look fine. So you present yourself differently, and that's bound to affect everything.
Of all the things that are important about the kids having straight teeth is the confidence that it gives them in life. And I do believe that this is something that is important in the way people perceive them for the rest of their life.
It gives me a sense of pride, really, because I know I have good teeth, and before I had these on I was sort of shy, but now I'm a lot more outgoing. I have more confidence in myself.
I think having straight teeth or using the Damon system is one of the most important things a parent can do for their children. What we feel is that this is a gift that we've given our children that will last their entire lifetime.
All of the patients you've just seen have experienced treatment far different than they would have with traditional braces. With the Damon system, patients can be treated to the very highest level of care in a shorter period of time with far greater comfort. In addition, it enhances a patient's appearance in ways never seen before. With the Damon system, the future has indeed arrived.